Hello family, please, you know sir why but honestly currently me looking on Facebook or some Lista Serum die honestly to myself as a kid growing up I've been listening to his music all my life and honestly me looking on some I want to Lista Serum die and I confirmed it now honestly me currently now me stalo sound like I now skylo me mi raw foul stand mi mo music lo Lista Serum play number honestly sound like I worry nothing me I worry me nothing honestly same as a kid growing up from the 90s and up that was his cassettes was my favorite my father's favorite and you know I'm got a collection them style house na I'm sa put the radio na mi soti mobs mi sa arim na stop so you know we grow up kan big boy stop come till now some this legend of our country died not only him some this love my love for my country as I make him plenty time on this kind of big name old man lo country play me said die honestly me it's okay I was crying like flew me I'm just sending my condolence from the Chronicles of HP YouTube channel and Hit Music YouTube channel to the Serum family. Yeah, that's the condolence message to the Serum family. Thank you very much for watching. Much love and stay blessed. Kids!